DNA mutations. The good, the bad, and the downright puzzling. Ready to decode the mystery? DNA mutations are like typos in the genetic code. They can sneak in during DNA replication or from exposure to radiation, chemicals, or certain viruses. There are two main types: germline mutations, which you inherit from your parents, and somatic mutations, which happen in your body's cells. Mutations can be tiny, like point mutations affecting a single nucleotide. They can be silent, missense, or nonsense. Or they can be bigger, like insertions and deletions that mess with the reading frame. Then there's the heavyweight champ chromosomal mutations, which involve large chunks of DNA. Whether big or small, mutations can have no effect, cause serious disorders, or even contribute to cancer. And that's your crash course on DNA mutations. Stay curious, science explorers.